Hey guys, horticulturist Gary Bachman. I've got a quick tip to control leaf miners in citrus. You see leaf miners, they make those little tracks on the leaves. It's a little larva that is munching away between the leaf surfaces and creates those tracks. Looks ugly, but let me tell you, it's really easy to take care of. I like to use a product called Spinosad. The manufacturer I happen to use is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew from Bonide. There's lots of different formulations readily available on the market. But this is an organic product that actually works, believe it or not. I always like to use a pump-up sprayer for that, and I'll first fill the spray tank up about halfway before I add any product. The Spinosad is mixed at a rate of 4 tablespoons per gallon. I'm mixing up 2 gallons of spray here this morning. So we're going to add 8 tablespoons. Go ahead, add that to the tank. And then I'll go ahead and top the tank off then. And that helps mix the product up, I think, way better than just adding it right at the beginning. Go ahead, put your sprayer all back together and give it a good pumpy pump before we start spraying those citrus leaves. What you want to do when you're spraying the leaves is spray to runoff. You want to make sure that the top and bottom surfaces of the leaves are covered. The Spinosad has a longevity of up to 21 days, which is much longer than BT, which controls the leaf miner and also some of the caterpillar type pests. It's really easy. Really encourage you to use this to control leaf miners. You know, if this is a tip that you can use, go ahead, hit subscribe for me and do me a favor. Because what I do here at the Urban Nano Farm is real world gardening. Hey, let's grow better together, okay? Hey, we'll see you next time.